Hello, my name is Andres Cifuentes. I am a student of agroforestry engineering in CED Medellin. I am currently in group 691 of English A2, and with this video I leave evidence of exercise 3, task 4, oral production. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I have no recent trips scheduled. However, when this happens, I will travel with my children and my wife to Cartagena. We will stay at the Ibis Cartagena Hotel for 4 days. This hotel is close to the beach and close to the walled city. I want my mother to go with us and see the sea, as it is her dream. On this trip we will bring warm weathering clothing, shorts, t-shirts, hats, and bathing suits. In Cartagena we will visit its most emblematic and historical places. We will be enjoying the sun, the sea on the beach. We will practice water sports and diving. We will eat the typical food of the region, and we will enjoy every minute of the trip as a family. We will have a high expenditure in terms of money. Our budget is 2 million per person. It is worth the investment. We will buy souvenirs from our trip and share them with the rest of the family. The ideal is to bring elements of the region, but that are useful. For example, paintings, decorations, clothing, among others. I hope that the pandemic will let us go to the Cartagena as soon as possible, and I hope to enjoy that trip very much. Thank you.